children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and studying at home. Okay, children, when you are very thirsty, yes, when you are very thirsty, what do? Yes, we all drink water. So today in this chapter we are going to learn uses of water, different uses of water. Now tell me, what can be the different uses of water? Let us just guess. In the morning when we get up, what is the first thing we do? We brush our teeth. After brushing, we clean our face and mouth with water. We start our day with the water itself. Then when we take bath, yes, we use water. When we want to drink, we use water. When you have your lunch, what is the next thing it happens? The utensils get cleaned. How do they get cleaned? With soap and water, of course. Okay, how does a tree or a plant grow into a big tree? Yes, they also need water. So today we will learn different uses of water. Okay, now what is this girl doing? Yes, she is cooking. Okay, while cooking also we need water. Okay, when your mother cooks at home, she needs water to make sabji, even to make dough of the roti, she needs water. So water is an important ingredient needed in cooking. Okay, next thing, what is this girl doing? Yes, can you see? She is watering a plant so that the plant can grow. As we all need water to grow, even plants need water to grow. Okay, so another use of water is, that it helps to grow the plant. Okay, now what is this boy doing? Yes, he is taking bath. Yes, we need even water for that. We need water for bathing, brushing our teeth also, correct? So, three major uses of water are, we need water for cooking, we need water to plant this, then we need water for bathing. Okay, next is important, the most important use of water. We drink a lot of water every day. Okay, whenever we feel thirsty, we drink water. It is the most important use. Without water, we cannot live. As fish cannot live without water out of the aquarium, we also cannot live without drinking water. It is very important in our life. Then second, as I told you, after having your food, maybe it is lunch, breakfast or dinner, when we wash our utensils, what do we use? We use water. Okay, so two major important uses of water. We need water for drinking and we need water for cleaning. Yes, even while cleaning the floor or washrooms, we need water. Okay, now water is very useful. As we saw in the pictures that water is very, very useful in our daily life. We get water from rain, we get it from rivers, we get from seas and even from wells. Okay. Now we drink water, correct? We drink water, you see here. We use water for washing and cooking. Even for washing our clothes that we wear, we need water. As I told you before, your mother cooks food. She needs water in that also. We take bath with water. Whenever we go for bathing, we use water. We should not waste water. Yes, children, it is very important point. We should not waste water. So whenever you see any tap is open without any use of water, you should close it. And always close the tap tightly so even the drop does not come out. Okay. We need water for drinking. We need water for bathing. We need water for cooking. We need water for washing clothes, washing utensils. We need water for watering the plants. The plants will grow when we water them. Now we will learn few question answers. Okay. From where do we get water? Yes. From where does the water come? Yes. Water comes from rain, river, seas and well. Okay. In the well, the water is stored, that is collected from the rain. The water is stored in a well. We can use that water later on. Say 3 uses of water. It is very simple. 3 uses of water. We use water for drinking, we use water for cooking, and last we use water for washing. Okay, these many different uses of water are there. Still many more are there, but in this chapter we will cover this much. Okay, thank you.